It's obviously cancer is a major killer. 1 among 9 people in India develop cancers, and imagine the statistics which is going through. And I want you all people who are participating in the run to be aware, spread the message that cancer is a curable disease, provided you detect it early. If you don't detect it early, you will really have problems. You can get into a real nasty situation. I don't want that to happen, so people should be aware of that and try to spread the message. That is the message today's concept of doing this run. Today we have various programs in Kauvery hospitals to detect early cancers. Various facilities are available, and people should be aware of it, and people should promote this to the other people. I don't know how many of, there are a lot of people going to make the marathon run tomorrow, but I want them to, they as individuals, maybe their men or women folks are going to run, but they should also inculcate this point of health to the family. That is very important. They should also make the family also get involved in the whole run, the children, because lifestyle is important. You understand that lifestyle is a major impact on cancer. At least the extraneous factors from our side we can try to do, like good diet habits, healthy exercises, not smoking, not drinking, timely eating. Everything plays a major part. So the environmental factor can't be done anything. You can't do anything with the environment, and you can't do anything with the external factors. But at least what you can do from our contribution is have a healthy lifestyle. That's very important, and that will make a huge impact of trying to prevent cancer at an early stage. Thank you, and all the best for all the runners who will be able to do a good participation and be successful. Good luck to everybody. Thank you.
K10K Run Marathon is here for you. Please give a big round of applause. So this is the race t-shirt that we are providing along with the bib numbers. We will be having a 10-kilometer run tomorrow at 6 a.m. and 5-kilometer run at 7 a.m. starting from Olcott School. The route maps have been sent to the runners as well. So I request everybody to cooperate with the volunteers for a hassle-free run. I wish everyone all the best for the run. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sharon, I hold the Kauvery Hospitals as Director of Radiation Oncology and Senior Consultant. And today is going to be a day which we have inaugurated, the day for the 10K and the 5K run marathon, which is going to be held tomorrow and Sunday at the Olcott Memorial School. This is going to be a 2-lap run, 5K and a 10K run, which is going to be the awareness of cancer, which is very important today. I want all of you all to understand that cancer is a curable disease, provided you detect it early. And I want you all to understand that this run is meant for a definite cause of how we can make an awareness of cancer. Today, cancer is a major killer next to nutrition and in heart diseases. In India, 1 of 9 people develop cancer, and we want you to aware that this disease can be prevented by your lifestyle changes, good exercise, good diet, healthy habits, avoid smoking, drinking. Find out early cancer by trying to go to the doctor, get yourself checked properly. These are things which are small things which you can not only promote yourself but also to your family. I wish all the people who are participating in this marathon, nearly 3,000 odd people, all the good luck for them, and I want them to be aware that they will promote this awareness of cancer not only to themselves but also to the fellow people and the public. Thank you.
கட்டிட்டீங்களா?